For transient free response, we have seen the conditions. If the supply is a sine, the form of sine of omega t plus theta, the condition is what? Omega t naught plus theta, which is equal to tan inverse of omega tau. This is the condition. Let us apply this condition now here. Omega t naught, omega is equal to pi f. Yes. So that means how much it is? 100 pi naught, 100 pi t naught plus theta 0, which is equal to tan inverse of what? Omega 100 pi into tau is equal to L by R now. So that means 10 power minus 2 by 5. So how much is value? 100 pi t naught, which is equal to tan inverse of what? Pi by 5. So this is 100 pi t naught, which is equal to what now here? Tan inverse of pi by 5. How much is value? Tan inverse of how much is value? This is 88.4. Convert into radians now. Pi by 180. So from this I can say t naught, which is equal to pi will get cancelled here, divided by 180 divided by 100. So finally what will get now? This is 88.4 by 100 into 180. How much is value? 4.9 milliseconds. 4.9 milliseconds. Next, same for this thing. They ask you to find the transient free response. Either see the supply is a cos, then what the condition is a omega t naught plus theta, which is equal to what? Pi by 2 plus tan inverse of omega tau. Tell me this thing. Omega is equal to 1 directly given here. This is here omega. Here is omega is equal to 1. So that means t naught plus theta 0, which is equal to pi by 2 plus tan inverse of omega is 1. Tau is equal to RC 1. So how much is t naught value? Pi by 2 plus pi by 4 now. So how much is value? I can say t naught is a 3 pi by 4. How much is value now here? So that is 2.35 seconds. Dashed. Now do this thing here. Omega is 2 t naught plus what? Pi by 4, which is equal to cos. Now cos means pi by 2 plus tau, tan inverse of what? Omega tau means what? RC, that is 1 by 2. So omega is 2. No, sorry. This value inside this value is completely 1 now. Omega tau. So 2 t naught plus pi by 4, which is equal to 3 pi by 4. That means 2 t naught is equal to pi by 2. So from this, what I can say t naught value here? pi by 4 now. How much is pi by 4 is it? So that is, so finally T naught value, that is 0.785 seconds. 0.785 seconds.